Have you ever considered how Brazilian waxing affects your health? It's more than just a beauty trend. This method can impact your skin health significantly. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of Brazilian waxing. From the smooth results to hidden risks, there's much to learn. Stay tuned, you might be surprised by these insights. So, what exactly is Brazilian waxing? It's a hair removal process for the bikini area. This includes hair from the front, back, and everything in between. Its popularity spans across women and men worldwide. There are several techniques to choose from. You can select between hard wax, soft wax, and sugaring. Each type offers its own comfort level and method. Your skin type often dictates the preferred choice. Now, let's dive into the benefits of Brazilian waxing. First, you get smooth skin that can last up to 4 weeks. Say goodbye to daily shaving, razors, and stubble. Second, Brazilian waxing can help reduce ingrown hairs over time. Pulling hair from the root can encourage finer regrowth. Third, waxing exfoliates your skin by removing dead cells. Many people notice brighter, healthier skin afterward. This can boost confidence for those who seek a polished look. Yet, it's important to recognize the potential downsides. Brazilian waxing can be painful, especially for beginners. First-timers often report a sharp sting during removal. After the session, it's common to experience mild redness or swelling. Improper techniques may lead to burns or infections. This highlights the need to choose a skilled professional. Never attempt Brazilian waxing at home without proper guidance. So, how can you protect your skin during waxing? First and foremost, always visit a licensed esthetician. Ensure they use clean tools and maintain good hygiene. Before your appointment, do a patch test for allergies. After waxing, avoid hot showers and tight clothing. Stay away from scented products on your freshly waxed skin. Applying soothing creams like aloe vera can help calm irritation. It's crucial to let your skin heal, keeping it clean and moistured. Brazilian waxing is about more than looks. It's about body awareness. Some love the smooth feel and ease it brings. Others may shy away due to pain or sensitivity. Being informed helps you make the right decision for your skin. Aim for a balance between beauty routines, health, and safety. Whether you prefer waxing, shaving, or going natural, choose what feels right to you. Have you ever tried Brazilian waxing? We'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. If you found this information useful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos on health, beauty, and wellness. Thank you for watching, and remember, always take care of your skin.